Hello dear students, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the proton, neutron, electron and there are also some properties and also about atom. Today we are going to discuss about the molecules. What is molecules? And dear student, first of all we should know we have is this time 118 elements. Out of 118 elements, some elements are stable in element form. They can exist independently as a single atom. Okay, like inert gases, or we can say noble gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, etc., known as noble gas. They can exist independently. Okay, dear student, as a elemental form, that is one atomic form. Okay, but most of the atom, they cannot exist independently. They combine to each other, maybe same or different types of atom to form molecules. Okay, that means when we said about hydrogen in nature found in this form H2 form, nitrogen N2 form, oxygen O2 form, Cl2 form, chlorine Cl2 form, iodine in I2 form, etc. And most of the metal also found in one atomic single form. Okay, dear student. So now the definition arises. Molecules are the smallest units of matter that can exist independently. That means molecules are free. Okay? That means when we are going to write about H2. When we write H2, H2 are independent. Okay? N2 is independent. That is molecular form of nitrogen. That is molecular form of chlorine, that is molecular form of oxygen, that is molecular form of iodine. Okay, dear student. So the definition: molecules are the smallest units of matter that can exist independently. Okay, dear student. Now molecules are of two types. How are of two types? Molecules of element, and second one is molecules of compound. When we say molecule of element, that means single elements combine to each other to form molecules. Atom in this molecules of element in this molecules, similar atoms combine to each other to form molecules. Okay, and it may be monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic. When we discuss about monoatomic, okay, monoatomic, not in these conditions, should be diatomic. Okay, dear student, should be diatomic, diatomic molecule like H2, O2, Cl2, N2, okay, dear student, etc. Triatomic molecule, when three atoms combine to form one molecule, is called triatomic molecule. Triatomic molecule like ozone, three oxygen atoms combine to form ozone. Tetraatomic, when four similar atoms combine to form one molecule like P4, tetraatomic, octaatomic, like sulfur S8. 8 sulfur atom combine to form one molecule of sulfur. This is the form of elemental form. Okay, because same atom of same elements combine to form molecule. This is one. This denote one molecule of ozone. This denote one molecule of hydrogen, this donate 1 molecule of oxygen, this donate 1 molecule of chlorine, 1 molecule of nitrogen, 1 molecule of phosphorus, 1 molecule of sulfur. Okay dear student. Now molecules of compound. Why this is called molecule of compound? When two different atoms combine in a fixed ratio to form molecules of compound. Suppose when two hydrogen and oxygen, one oxygen combine in this ratio in 1:8 ratio by mass to form water molecule. Okay, this is water molecule, and H2O denote the compound water. H2O denote the compound water, and also one molecule of water. Okay, this denote one molecule of water. Like this, when we write CH4, this denote the compound methane. This denote the compound methane. Also one molecule. This is represent one molecule of methane. Okay, dear student. When we write sulfur dioxide, this denote the compound sulfur dioxide, and one molecule of sulfur dioxide like sulfur trioxide, H2SO4, one molecule of sulfuric acid also donate the compound sulfuric acid like HNO3, nitric acid known as, this donate one molecule of compound nitric acid. Okay dear student. So lots of compound we have like methane, ethane, C2H6, C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, etc. Acetic acid CH3COOH, acetic acid, formic acid like this, the phosphoric acid H3PO4, etc. Okay, lots of compound we have, and in this compound you can see that more than different kinds of atom combined in a fixed ratio to form a molecule of that compound. Okay, so this is known molecules of compound, and when similar elements combine to form more than two or more than two to form molecule is called molecules of elements like hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, iodine, nitrogen, ozone, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. Okay dear student, I hope you are getting. So learn the definition of molecules. What is the definition of molecules? Molecules are the smallest units of matter that can exist independently. After forming these compound, these molecules, they are free. Okay, so the term used here independently. Okay, that means they can exist independently, like H2 also, O2 also, nitrogen, chlorine, F2, Br2, Ci2. Okay, these are free, that means independent. Okay, Br2, F2. Okay dear student, like this. Clear? Okay, so in next video we will discuss about the atomicity. Okay, thank you. All the best.